I've been talking on codependency in my previous videos. So we have to understand that codependency is not a disorder, it's a learned behavior, and things which we learn can be unlearned. Codependency, codependency is not the cause, it's the effect. We will be talking of the causes and we will be taking forward on how to get out of codependency where the behavior pattern gets nourishment from of the self-esteem by putting the needs of the others before the self-need. A codependent person gets their inner esteem fulfilled, or their sense of I comes from the others. So, the codependent person will never be able to take calls which are important to the self. It will be dependent on the others' happiness, their behavior. We all try to adjust according to. We'll be doing a workshop. We are doing a workshop on it. That's why this important topic, which is the most important part of our understanding in our relationships. And when I say relationship does not mean only a man and a woman. It is our relationship with the whole beings, everyone, parents, boss, employee, our neighbors, our friends. So please join us, and it will be wonderful to if you ask us any questions on it.